Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study about how to insert graphics in PowerPoint presentation. What do you mean by graphics here? It may contain clip arts, picture from files, or smart art. What are smart art? You can insert different shapes that are used to represent information graphically from the smart art button. It is given in the insert tab. Click the smart art button. You can see different smart art shapes from here, and you can insert any of them according to our need. If you want to type a list of items and you want to indicate it using a shape, you can use this list smart art graphic. Then these shapes are used for indicating a process. These shapes show some cycle. You have already seen such shapes used in your text and other books also. Okay, these are smart art graphics. We use these shapes to represent information in a graphical style. Look at this. These are some examples of smart art graphics. The first one shows the recycling process. Second one shows some relationship. This one is also showing the required things for customer satisfaction. Then the satisfied customer requires 3 things. These pictures uses smart art graphics to represent some information. This is done using PowerPoint smart art feature. Why do we insert such graphics, clip art, pictures or smart art? To make the PowerPoint presentation more attractive or more readable. If we insert the related picture or clip art or smart art graphics in the slide, it will be easy for the audience to understand the idea or understand the concepts, and the presentation will be attractive also. And first you can study how to insert a clip art. Inserting clip art. So for this, here we have 3 slides. The first slide is a title slide. What type of slide it is? Title slide. How can we understand that? When we take a new slide, there will be layout also. From this layout, you can choose title slide or title and content or any of them according to our need. Title slide will contain only 2 placeholders for the title and subtitle. Okay, that means here you have to write the topic of your presentation. Then subtopic or subtitle that describes the first title is written within the next placeholder. The next slide layout is title and content. So this slide is a title and content slide. This is the first placeholder where you can insert the title only. This is the second placeholder where you can insert text or graphics like this. Clip art, picture from file. Then media clips like movie, audio, etc. Then smart art icon is there. Chart icon, table icon. So you can insert any of these things here in this area. So first you are going to study how to insert a clip art. For this, you have to click the insert tab and then choose the clip art button here. Otherwise, choose this clip art button from the placeholder. This is a placeholder, this dotted rectangular box. Here is the clip art button. You can either click here or you can click the clip art button in the insert tab. So click here. Then you can see the clip art task pane appeared in the rightmost end. of the window. Here you can search for the clip art you need. For example, you want to get the pictures of rose flower. So I can type the name here, then click the go button. What I got? A clip art of rose flower. Click on this arrow and click the insert button. What happened? The clip art got inserted into our slide. Okay, this is how to insert clip art. And using this hollow circles, you can increase or decrease the height and width together. This is the width of the picture. This is the length of the picture or height of the picture. So width and height can be increased or decreased using this square symbols or square handles given here. So these are the corner handles and these are the side sizing handles. And here you can rotate the picture using that green circle. Okay. This is how to insert clip art. If you want, you can increase or decrease the size of the picture and you can rotate the picture. After that, you can insert picture from file. You are going to study how to insert picture from file. Now you can close this clip art task pane. How to insert a picture from file? Either use the picture from file button from here or click the insert tab, then click the picture button. Then locate the picture file you want. Open it and select a file. Click the insert. Then what happened? The picture got inserted into our slide. Next, you are going to study how to insert smart art graphics. What is smart art? In PowerPoint, smart art helps you to add many useful graphics in a presentation. This smart art contains different types of designs, layouts, structure and color for representing the information graphically. Representing the information graphically means using different shapes we can represent the information. എന്ത് വിവരത്തെയും നമുക്കൊരു ഗ്രാഫിക്കലായിട്ട് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഷേപ്സ് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് എല്ലാവർക്കും മനസ്സിലാകത്തക്ക രീതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. അതിനുവേണ്ടിയാണ് സ്മാർട്ട് ആർട്സ് ഇൻസേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഹൗ ടു ഇൻസേർട്ട് സ്മാർട്ട് ആർട്ട് ഗ്രാഫിക്? either click this insert smart art graphic button or click the insert tab, then choose the smart art button. Different smart arts are there. For example, here you can see this smart art contains 3 boxes and you can also see the arrows that connect these boxes. In the first thing, you can write a word input, process, output. Is input, second step is process and third step is output. In a computer, what is the working order of calculation or anything in computer? First is input, then the items inputted will be processed or the data inputted will be processed. That is the second step. After that, the final result will be displayed, that is the output. So that explanation or that concept is represented graphically here using a smart art. Next is creating photo album in PowerPoint. What is photo album? Photo album is a presentation containing only pictures. What is photo album? In PowerPoint, photo album is a presentation containing only pictures, not anything else. And a photo album is always created as a new presentation. For example, here is the photo album button, but if you create a photo album, it will be created and saved as a new presentation. So you can create a PowerPoint presentation that contains only series of pictures or photographs using this photo album button. Let's see how to use this photo album button to create a photo album in PowerPoint. First, click the Insert tab, click the down arrow of photo album, then click the New Photo Album. This is the photo album dialog box. You can insert picture from the file or disk. Click here and select the pictures you want. So if you click the picture once, if you click on only one picture, that will be selected. If you want all these pictures for the photo album, then you have to press the Control key and click all these pictures. Now click the Insert button. All the pictures are inserted here. Now you can make changes if any. You can change its order. You can rotate the picture if you want. We are changing its order. Jellyfish came to the 8th position, or you can change its position to 6. Okay. You can set the picture layout, one picture or two picture at a time. Frame shape can be chosen. Theme. Now you can click the Create button. So the presentation will contain pictures like this, 2 pictures in one slide. Click the Create button. So this is our photo album, and this is the theme used. What is given in the second slide, third slide, and it contains a black frame also. Photo frame is there. This is the fourth slide. And next is 5th slide. So this is our photo album. How it will look like when we play the presentation. Just press the F5 key on the keyboard and let's see how it works. So this is our photo album presentation in the slideshow view. The photo album will be appearing like this when we play the presentation. You can insert the title also if you want.